Welcome to the world of A+ Medispa from the House of Amatra. Escape to restore your beauty away from the maddening crowd and get a fresh outlook on life. A Medispa that offers a perfect blend of time-tested ancient healing with modern science for all your skin and body care needs. As you walk through the doors of A+ Medispa, you are instantly embraced by the soothing sounds of soft music, the calming scent of aromatherapy candles, friendly staff, and a contemporary plush decor designed to be pleasing on the eye as well as promoting serenity and reflection. At A+ Medispa, our clients are not only treated with the most advanced technology we have to offer, they also get expert consultations from our skilled medical doctors. At A+ Medispa, we are proud to boast of our latest FDA-approved Fraxel laser technology, which is the most advanced system for non-ablative skin resurfacing and rejuvenation, and works wonders for skin fills and imperfections with no downtime. It works like a miracle program, changing lives of people, treating acne scarring and rejuvenation all over the globe. Our facilities offer the most advanced laser for hair removal, Cyton Profile, that has numerous advantages over all others. Treatments are safer and painless with no overlap, and a uniform coverage with perfect control of energy that enhances comfort and complete safety. We have a multi-modality approach to skin age management. Pretty and Young, without needles, is our Transderm treatment. After a skin polishing that opens up the channels of the uppermost layers of the skin, medical-grade vitamins are penetrated into the skin to treat a variety of problems such as open pores, uneven pigmentation, wrinkles, and many more. Cellulite has been a concern for young girls and women in their mid-30s. The appearance of an unattractive dimpled skin can be treated with our individually customized program that includes mesocellulite, triactive lasers, and Ayurvedic massage therapies. This helps to increase circulation and oxygenation to stagnant tissues, causing an appreciable reduction in cellulite. A+ Medispa takes the concept of well-being a stage further. It stands on the strong belief that skincare, health, and wellness are inseparable elements. And we use the ancient healing system of Panchakarma and the tranquility of Shirodhara treatment that has a powerful effect on the mind and nervous system, leaving a heightened sense of inner peace. Our difference lies in the fact that ancient science has been repackaged and brought to you in a pleasing, luxurious, and pampering spa environment. Cosmetic dentistry at A+, we believe, is a form of art. Smile design, zoom whitening, dental veneers, full mouth rehabilitation are some of the specialized procedures that are further enhanced with our holistic aromatherapy and reflexology treatments. Our perception of how we look often controls our lives and reflects in our personality. Aesthetic surgery at A+ Medispa offers the most sophisticated operation theatre and latest technologies for improvement of physical imperfections by means of the most modern solutions like liposuction, rhinoplasty, breast surgeries, and facelift, to name some. Taking a walk through our spa, you surely cannot miss the Product Boutique. That is a creation to bring you personal beauty solutions from pure organic extracts that re-energize the senses. A+ Plus Medicine welcomes all those who desire a life-enhancing holistic approach to looking beautiful and healthy living with our modern science and ancient healing technologies.